Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Carnival Corporation, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name CLL. Well, CLL is actually dragging a lot of attention nowadays because of its interesting chart situation, and people are expecting for another wave up. To understand this and what are the risks and possible interesting entry points, let's have a look to general statistics for CLL. Well, after having the famous dark day of 17th of March with COVID debt, CLL actually did one recovery wave as many other companies as well, but then moving average 20, which is the green line here, worked as a strong support and drive the price downwards. So it went again to COVID depth and started the recovery sequence again. Then it was able to pierce further, and then using moving average 20 as a guide, it was volatiling around it. And recently, actually, what also happened in May, starting from 18th of May, moving averages 20 and 50, the blue line and green line, started to dance around each other, causing magic crosses, positive magic crosses like 18th of May when moving average 20 hits moving average 50 from downwards. Also negative magic crosses which happened 14 or 15 of July, when actually moving average 20 crosses moving average 50 from the top, therefore drives price down. This indeed we can see like action price up, and here action price down. And then after having experiencing the support at the beginning of August on the levels of depicted here, which was also kind of expected if you look at after COVID trades and volumes, the upward trend began, and now the question is, this upward trend experienced moving average 50 as a resist, and then went down, and now it's balancing on top of moving average 20. So the question here is it really going to go up, or will it go down? And that's why if it goes up, it's expected to have really large movement, because the really top resist line is really high, so it's previous maximum of after COVID, and then another resist point is also resist level is also actually quite high, and therefore the question is still, will we be on those levels or not? So the question, to understand that question, we need to see also at RSI. If you look at RSI levels, they're increasing, also suggesting that the positive wave is starting here, and looking at MACD index is just waving in the middle, being neutral, actually neither positive or negative. But if you look more carefully on moving averages, you can clearly see that it's going to make another dancing wave, so it's preparing for magic cross up, when moving average 20 will hit the moving average 50 from the bottom, and then it should cause the positive upwards behavior. And this expectation is actually dragging a lot of attention to this stock. Moreover, it's in that sense, we're also keen to agree on that it's going to have a positive jump up towards at least the first red line, so first resist line, R1. Then it will be dependent on the current situation, either it go to R2 line, or will again balance between actually support 1 and R1. What also is possible that it will first make a slow correction towards R1 and only S1, sorry, and only then go to R1 line. So if this happens, be ready for possible average down. In some severe cases, this is another very strong support line, S2, but yeah, so if things go really bad, this will be really the final battle point. But overall, having keeping some average funds for S1 and S2 line, average down if needed, this stock is actually very promising, and indeed opening of Monday will show either it will be correction towards S1 or immediate move towards R1, but overall R1, R2 maybe movement is expected here. That's why it's dragging a lot of attention. So that was it for CLL. Good luck with it, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.